a better director than an actor. I do. I think he's a fantastic actor, but I think he's an absolutely brilliant director. I mean, I've rarely worked with somebody, strictly speaking, professionally. I mean, yeah, I know that he's my husband, etc. But the best thing about him is that he took all of his knowledge as an actor and applied it to the technique of being a director.
There's another aspect to Ajay which most people are not aware of, is that he has a very, from a director's point of view, he's got a very funny sense. Like if he sits down to write a very, very funny comedy film, which could be on the lines of A Naked Gun or A Flying Eye, which are absolutely bizarre, you know, and slapstick to the hilt, he'll do a damn good job.
आप सब लोग एक बात समझ लें, मेरे साथ ये सब नहीं चलेगा।
As far as acting is concerned, he is most economical. Like, I mean, he will give just as much as required to a particular scene or to a particular character, and that makes the task easier. Like, you know, he understanding the nuance of the character and becoming and behaving like the character. And his looks are intense, but at the same time he can fit into any kind of character, whether it's a good character, bad character, grey character, any kind of character that you can think, and that makes the casting easier.
आज से आजाद नगर में विदेशी कैंडिडेट का एंट्री बंद।
एक उपेक्षित योद्धा जिसने सत्ताधारियों की जड़ें हिला दी।
I think I don't agree with anybody who says that failures don't affect me or that person. Failures do affect, but you have to really learn, and you have to, go beyond that and move on and try to rectify the mistake you've done.
He has not changed at all. He's the same Ajay Devgan what he was 20 years ago, and I can challenge that he'll be the same Ajay Devgan after 20 years from now. Hits, flops, stardom has not affected him at all. He was a simple guy and he is a simple guy.
Some things have worked, some things have not worked, but no regrets, because I want to be the way I am. I do not want to force myself to change for anything else. And I'm happy the way I am because I'm comfortable with myself. And I think eventually I have to live with myself. Nobody else has to.
असलम भाई की गैंग में आने का मतलब जानता है? सड़क छाप काम नहीं होता है, बड़ा गेम होता है। और कभी भी किसी का भी गेम बच सकता है।
I'm not a person who plans a lot for the future. Right now I'm too occupied with what I'm doing. I'm working on a script which I want to make next year. That's what this year. I have a lot of good films releasing. My wife is expecting. So I'm very content and happy and keeping my fingers crossed. Trust me, I mean, I have got more than I asked for, and I thank God for it.